chicken pomodorino, which literally translated means chicken with little or cherry tomatoes. I have 350 grams of boneless chicken thighs, and using a fork, I prick the chicken meat to allow for better marination. Marinate the chicken with 1.5 teaspoons of salt, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and thyme. Mix and hold for 10 minutes. Combine 250 grams of halved cherry tomatoes with the chopped garlic, 40 ml of olive oil, cider vinegar, whole basil leaves, and whole black olives. Add in half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of sugar, mix and hold. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a hot broiler pan and sear the chicken brown on both sides. About 3 minutes of browning. Add some olive oil, more if required. Once it has browned on both sides, pour the tomato, garlic, olive, and herb mixture into the hot pan and let the chicken cook on a medium-low flame, covered and cooking for 20 minutes. Once it's cooked, serve the chicken topped with fresh basil and accompanied with a pasta of your choice. I've used capellini. Come, let's eat.